Some African countries offers numbers of advantages for businesses which includes stable political and economic environment, business-friendly regulations, skilled workforce, access to growing markets, and many more. In today's video, we take a look at 10 African countries to do business in. First off on our list, we have Mauritius. Mauritius boasts a stable socio-political system, favorable tax law, and a peaceful environment, making it the best place to do business in Africa. The country's GDP has been steadily growing and is expected to reach $16.83 billion in 2026. Initially dependent on agriculture, the economy of Mauritius is developing towards diversification from manufacturing, financial services, tourism, renewable energies, ICT, and so on. Its investor-friendly regulations continues to attract companies from around the world. Rwanda, which ranks second in the list, has enjoyed impressive economic growth. According to UN, Rwanda came second in ease of doing business in 2020 among all African countries and is one of the sixth fastest growing regions in Africa. Since the Rwanda genocide in early 20s, Rwanda has been on an economic rise with $10.4 billion GDP in 2021. Rwanda's economy depends on coffee, tea, minerals, tourism, and other exports. The government has introduced numerous business reforms. Morocco is characterized by its strong financial institutions and legal framework, with a GDP of $124 billion. The main sector of Morocco's economy includes agriculture, tourism, aerospace, automotive, phosphate, textile, and apparels. Kenya is recognized as a world leader in business creation and financing in Africa. The country's technology industry is thriving, attracting many investors and entrepreneurs. It tops the number of foreign direct investments (FDI) in East Africa with $3.86 billion FDI projects recorded in 2019, an all-time high, contributed to 4% of Kenya's GDP. Major Kenyan industry includes agriculture, forestry, fishing, mining, manufacturing, energy, tourism, and financial services. Tunisia has the place for its highest literacy rate and educated young workforce. The availability of a qualified workforce and a favorable business environment contribute to its attractiveness to investors. South Africa. This country is one of the most developed countries in Africa, with an excellent infrastructure and efficient financial, legal, energy, telecommunication, and transport system. South Africa is rich in natural resources. Its GDP in 2021 was $414.22 billion. Businesses in government services, real estate, finance, communication, transport, and more support the economy. Egypt has a mixed economy, and this country profits from fossil fuel, agriculture, and tourism. In 2021, the GDP of Egypt was $396.33 billion, making it the second wealthiest country in Africa. Egypt has many structural reforms, including fiscal monetary policies, privatization, taxation, and new business legislation, which shifted the country towards a more market-oriented economy. Ghana's economy has been dependent on its oil production since 2010. However, the government has been diversifying its economy, focusing on the private sector. If you're looking to invest in the techie sector, then Ghana may be the place for you. Google's first African AI lab opened in 2019 in Ghana. The country has some of the most significant number of FDIs in Southern Africa, valued at $4.1 billion. Zambia. The relatively stable economy and political environment make Zambia an attractive location for investors. Privatization efforts and growth in sectors such as mining and agriculture have contributed to its pro-business reputation. Botswana. What mainly makes Botswana stand out is that it has been rated the least corrupt country in Africa. In addition, it was removed from the Financial Action Task Force's FATF grace list after improving the handling of money laundering cases. The GDP of Botswana was $17.61 billion in 2021, and although the country is rich in diamonds and other minerals, it has diversified its economy by developing the manufacturing sector. The country aims to become a net exporter of electricity by 2027 by utilizing its energy resources. This is all we have for the 10 African countries to do business in. We hope you enjoyed every bit of this video, and to get more exciting videos, subscribe to our channel Business and Wealth Africa.